Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Kathy and I am back again with another reveal video. And today I'll be sharing the Slimline Meadow Die Set. This die set includes 9 dies, and with this die set you get the big tall frame, and that measures 3¼ by 8¼ and it has stitching around the edge, and then also the little grassy hills, they don't cut out, they just cut in so you can tuck stuff behind. Then there's another little piece that fits inside that so you can create a frame, and it adds more grassy hills up at the top. I think this die set was designed really very well because it's got all of these extra little pieces like the flowers and the bunnies, flower stems, the little toadstools, and then that piece there can either be used for the tree and it can also be used for clouds. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and for this first sample I used the die and added in that window piece so that I could have the extra hills. I did die cut the tulips and the mushrooms and the bunnies and just colored them up with my Copics, and then I decided to add the little gnome from the Birthday Gnomes stamp set. For my second card, I did not use the window, I just used the one big piece for the frame. And then I did ink blending for the sky and the grass. And then I used the pieces that I used on the treetop for my previous card as clouds for this one. And then I incorporated the Spring Bunnies stamp set, and I was able to tuck in the little Easter eggs and some of the mushrooms as well. And that's it for this reveal video. For more information about this die set, I'll have that linked in the description box below. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group as well. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.